CenterLine's been around since the 50s. My father started the company here in Windsor as a tool and die company with a couple other guys in a garage. And over the years, the company's morphed to become a machinery integrator. And my father was a very inventive person. And his main things were hard work, trying things, find out quickly if it'll work or won't work. And then you build on that. Once you find something that's starting to work, you keep working on it until you've got a solution, and you never walk away until the problem is solved.
We engage with our customers, analyzing their problems, and we form our product solutions around the repeating patterns that we see, and we offer these solutions to industry-wide problems that are not felt just by one customer, but by many. So our unique position of doing machinery as well as products gives us the ability to solve problems at a better pace.
One of the benefits with CenterLine is we have a lot of machining capabilities. We're able to build parts here. We're able to develop and rapidly prototype solutions to these applications that we're coming across right now. And being able to rapidly prototype so quickly, both like with our CNCs, we have some PCB mill capabilities and rapid prototyping electronics. We're able to develop solutions very quickly, get feedback, and because we're also build the machines, we can actually install these products on premise and see them working with real machinery in a real application and during our development process.
Our customers have unique problems, and you discover those problems by going and solving them, perhaps with different techniques that people haven't tried before. And that's kind of what we try to live by still. We're still very much innovating products. We're releasing new patents every year. A lot of times now it's the young guys who have the patents, not the senior members.
Resistant spot rivet, or RSR, is a single-step welding-based process taking CenterLine's patented feed system, where we would deliver a consumable fastener to the tip of a weld gun to be consumed during the welding process, which enables the joining of aluminums, magnesiums to steels. So if there's a customer that's looking at a retrofit, RSR works very well for that, and we're really working towards making this a big part of the future of CenterLine, is not only joining technologies, but many of our other technologies that are incorporated into our feed system, as well as our partnerships that we're bringing to the table here.
One of the ways CenterLine is looking to adapt new technology is with IoT or IoT or Industry 4.0. They all kind of come together, and there's a lot of technologies that can connect a machine to the cloud, but a lot of those applications, you're missing out on what makes the machinery work and understanding what the data actually means. And so CenterLine, we're taking the technology of Industry 4.0 and cloud connectivity, and we're matching that with our insights into our machinery so that we collect the data from our sensors, our controllers, and the different processes. And then we have a really strong internal software development team that's built out this cloud platform for analyzing the data and displaying the data and allowing the customer to really see their machinery in a new way.
CenterPoint has dashboards, so you can visualize at a facility or at a machine level how the equipment is functioning, and you can get, based on a benchmark, whether the equipment is overperforming or underperforming compared to normal. We have production and process-related analytics that provide data trends so that you can understand what it is that causes an alert to trigger and what those insights are. We have an easy way of breaking down cycle time so that we could tell if there was an operator issue, a machine issue, or a nesting issue. We have documentation available on our portal so that users can dig into the specific documentation that's relative to the equipment that they're working on. We provide lots of opportunities for growth in trades and engineering, and we reach out to high schools, universities, colleges to try and build interest in the automotive and automation industries.
We're putting a focus on the needs of the younger generation. And as we bring in a lot of young talent now, they've gone through different STEM programs at school, and they've kind of been exposed to different ways of doing things relative to perhaps the older guard. So we're open to let them try those things in the company. And you can have a career here. We're a big enough organization. There's all kinds of different positions. So if you're thinking about a different position, why not a different position within CenterLine to build your career here?
My grandfather founded the company. My uncle is currently the CEO.
And there are 4 family members that are coming up behind the second generation. We believe that this continuity ensures that CenterLine operates under the same value structure that it always has and will continue with the innovative spirit as well as the focus on developing our employees to ensure that we have good products and good people to support those products.